Hi, I'm Jesse with Gophers, and in this video we're going to cover the trap setting procedure for the DK-1 traps. When you get it out of the box, it's going to look like this. The first thing that we'll do is release the spring by pushing here and letting it unwind. Now the trap is in the fully released position. To set this trap, we'll take the dog, put it over top of the jaw. You have to push it over, it's pretty snug. You take the trigger, slide it over top of the dog, and then use your thumb and we'll roll the spring around and hook it back on the handle. This is the set position. When we're ready to go into the ground for trap placement, you will slide the trigger as far back as you can to just barely be holding, and now this trap is ready to be placed in the ground. To safely fire the trap from this position, hold on to the handle and pull back on the trigger. Then you can release the spring and unwind it. And now the trap is back in the released position and is safe to handle. If you're interested in these traps, we've got them available on our website, getgophers.com.